Let's install today this front-loading washing machine from Bosch. This is the Series 6 model. Let's remove the hose. And the power cable. And then we take off these long screws which are located in 4 different places. And also we take off these parts. And there's 4 of these on each corner. And we fill these holes with these plugs which came with the washing machine. On the top right corner there's this water intake connector. Let's put this hose to its place so the washing machine gets fresh water. And the other end of this hose we connect to the valve where the water comes in. And then we turn the water on to check if there's any leaks appearing. Next we take the water outlet hose which comes from here on the left top corner. We connect this hose with hose clamps in the outlet connector. So when the washing machine is running, it pumps out the water through this hose, and there's lots of pressure inside this hose, so it's really important to tie these hose clamps really tight. So this hose clamp keeps this hose tight to its place. Then we adjust the washing machine legs so that the washing machine is level. We use a wrench to adjust the legs. Now the washing machine is level, so when the washing machine is running, it doesn't shake or break the floor. And lastly, we plug the washing machine, the power source, and please, before you start using the new washing machine, make sure that the drum spins freely. And we are ready to start using the washing machine. Thanks for watching and bye.